Hey there, future millionaires. Are you ready to turn your side hustle into a fortune? Well, get ready to unleash your potential with these incredible ideas. E-commerce empire. Dive into the world of online selling. From handmade crafts to unique products, e-commerce platforms are your gateway to global success. Digital maven. Leverage your skills in graphic design, coding, or content creation. Freelancing in the digital space can bring in big bucks while giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. Investor instincts. Put your money to work for you. Learn the ropes of stock trading, real estate, or angel investing. The right moves today can lead to millionaire status tomorrow. Passion to profit. Love teaching yoga, playing an instrument, or baking. Turn your passion into profit through online courses, tutorials, or selling your creations. App adventures. Got a groundbreaking app idea? With millions of smartphone users, your app could be the next big thing, bringing you both fame and fortune. So there you have it. From e-commerce triumphs to app innovations, the path to becoming a millionaire through a side hustle is yours to conquer. Don't wait for success. Create it. The journey might be challenging, but with determination, dedication, and a dash of creativity, your side hustle could lead you to millionaire milestones. Dream big, hustle hard, and embrace the possibilities. Remember, future millionaires, your journey starts with that first step. So go ahead and take it.